Hey tech fans, WhatsApp just jumped into Apple's epic battle against the UK over your privacy. Could this fight change how secure your messages are? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the biggest tech news. Let's break down this high-stakes drama. WhatsApp threw its weight behind Apple in a massive legal showdown with the UK Home Office. The issue? The UK wants access to your encrypted data, and WhatsApp's boss is warning that this could set a dangerous precedent for privacy worldwide. This is huge. Stick around to see why. Apple's in court fighting a UK Home Office demand to access global user data through its advanced data protection system, citing national security. The row kicked off in February, and critics, including Apple, say this threatens the privacy of millions. WhatsApp, owned by Meta, is stepping in, applying to submit evidence to help Apple overturn the request. Why? Because encryption keeps your chats private, and they're not backing down. WhatsApp's boss, Will Cathcart, didn't mince words. He told that this case could embolden other nations to weaken encryption, putting your data at risk. He vowed that WhatsApp will challenge any law or request that tries to break their encryption, standing firm for your right to private online conversations. This is a bold move in a tense US-UK tech clash. Encryption's the backbone of secure apps like WhatsApp and iMessage. The UK claims they're balancing privacy with fighting crimes like terrorism, but Apple and WhatsApp argue this demand goes too far. If the UK wins, other countries might follow, potentially exposing your messages. This fight could reshape how tech companies protect your data. Are you worried about your privacy? WhatsApp teaming up with Apple shows that big tech uniting against government overreach. With Meta's platforms like WhatsApp and Instagram at stake, this case is a turning point for digital privacy. Will this alliance stop the UK's demands, or is global privacy battle just beginning? Let's hear your take. That's the scoop on WhatsApp's big stand with Apple against the UK's encryption demands. Are you team privacy, or do you think national security comes first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If this scoop got you fired up, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.